So how does your traditional roles in your current company match the new Scrum roles? Most companies have a structure for projects that looks something like this. You have the engineers that are managed by a sub-project manager that are managed by a project manager. And in that setup, and if you read project management literature, the project manager is responsible for business leadership, technical leadership, and human leadership, as you can see here. We want to change that in Scrum. We want that the Scrum team, the developers in the Scrum team, take sole responsibility for all the technical aspects. We want to spend a lot of effort in understanding the customer and the customer needs. That's why we have a product owner with sole responsibility for the business leadership. And the human aspect is so important if you want to build a high-performing team. And that's why we have a Scrum Master that can support the development of the team. When the developers goes from the managed engineer to the technical leadership, we call that empowerment. And the key thing of getting empowerment to work in practice is that the project manager and sub-project managers step aside and leave room for them to grow.